Hey everyone, I'm sure you've heard that the Fed has cut rates. So, what does that really mean for you? Well, the Fed has cut rates 1.75% since their high in July of 2023. So, how does that trickle down to you as a consumer or a real estate investor? The bottom line is that these Fed rate cuts have brought the average mortgage rates down into the high fives and low sixes from the high sevens from where they were back in July of 2023. This also means that real estate prices are going to start to rise again because as rates go down, the cost of credit goes down. That means that people qualify for more mortgages, and they're able to get a bigger sales price. So what happens is the price of homes eventually starts to go up. So now is a good time to buy before that happens because we've seen a good softness in most real estate markets where prices have come down, people are willing to negotiate, and the bottom line is that that's all going to start going away as people start to come back into the market. So does that mean that interest rates are going to go back into the threes? Probably not. If you look at the unemployment data, unemployment is around 4.6%. That's something they just announced today. The inflation data is also showing that we're still in the threes, which is where we were back in July. So we haven't seen a lot of inflationary pressure, which is why they've lowered rates. We haven't seen a lot of worsening in the job market, although some people would beg to differ. And that also means that we're not headed into a gnarly recession, at least with the data that we have as of today. So what's happening is the Fed is trying to stimulate the economy, ease up on their policy because we haven't seen some of the bad things happen that they predicted, but it also means that this might be as good as it gets. So while you still have a chance, you might want to come in and check out what you can do either on a refinance to consolidate debt, do home improvements, or if you're looking to make another purchase, it's a good time because the market is a lot better than it was for buyers. There's a lot more inventory than there was, and we're not seeing multiple offers like we were in the past. For sure, if you have questions and you want to get more custom numbers based on your scenarios, you can always use the link below my signature or go to icansavemoney.com. Schedule a quick meeting with me. I'd love to discuss your objectives and see where you're at. We can make a plan and find out what your best options are. Look forward to talking to you soon.